Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to take vitamin D sachets. Many people find vitamin D sachets a simple way to get their daily dose, especially if they have specific dietary needs or absorption issues. We'll cover everything from preparing your sachet to the best way to consume it for optimal benefits. Following these steps ensures you get the most out of your supplement, supporting your overall health and well-being. Let's get started with the first step. Before you open your vitamin D sachet, always take a moment to check the expiration date to ensure its potency. Different brands might have slightly varied instructions, so a quick read of the packaging is always a good idea. Most sachets are designed to be mixed with a liquid, so have a glass of water, milk, or juice ready. This simple preparation ensures you're ready for the next step, making the process smooth and effective. Now it's time to open your sachet. Carefully tear or cut along the designated line to avoid spillage. Once open, gently pour the entire contents of the sachet into your glass of water or other chosen liquid. It's important to get all the powder out to ensure you receive the full dose. Stir the mixture well until the powder is completely dissolved, creating a uniform solution. This ensures you get the full benefit of the vitamin D. For the best results, consume your vitamin D mixture immediately after you've prepared it. This prevents any settling and ensures you get the full dose. Remember, vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, so taking it with a meal that contains some healthy fats can significantly improve its absorption into your body. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.